Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to quickly learn how to create a blur background design. So to do that, I'm just going to duplicate this quickly and I'll drag this downward here. So the first thing to do if you want to create this is to add a blur background. So to do that, we have to create a rectangle. So when I create this rectangle, I'm going to change the fill to white. After doing that, let's reduce the opacity to 40. After that, we are going to create a stroke, and this time the stroke is going to be, the width is going to be 4, and I'm going to make that white. Let's go ahead to add a border radius of 24. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. The next thing is to add an effect here. So we're picking the background blur. So next, you click on the settings and convert that to 40. So you are going to have the same effect. We're going to create another rectangle to perform the same action that we just did. So you can pause the video and try that. So the next thing here, we are going to make sure that the height is 80. And I'm going to give it a border radius of 40. Make sure we're changing the background to white. Opacity 40. Then let's give this a stroke of 4. Change the color to white. And then we add the effect, which is the final process here. So I'm using the background blur. Here, click on the background blur, change the settings to 40. Now we have the same effect. To forge ahead, we can create a button. So I'm going to just add interior, let's say abstract design. Here I can press my Shift A to put that in an auto layout. So after doing that, we need to add a fill for that, and I will select a blue color for that. Okay, so I just picked something different. So let's change the color of the text. You can just use a selection color, 1, 2, 3, and we have a white color. So now you can play around with this and maybe. So, but I don't want to do that. I'll just manually increase the height and then increase the width here. So add a. So since we're using fixed width, so let's make this 64. And add the border radius to 32. And we can drag this down here. So right here, if you want the second button, you can just quickly duplicate that, okay? And we'll bring that here. So here, what we need to do is just hide the background color here so that we just have a toggle button. So we can select the items here. Item 1, item 2, that's frame 1, frame 2, and the tiny one behind, and then group this. So we have this. So from this, I could just take one of these images that I have aligned here, and I will bring to right click and bring to front here. So I have this, I can duplicate this. Let's say I'm keeping 2. And okay, we have a logo here. I will just drag this and then bring it here, and I'll do the same thing, bring to front. You can go ahead and add a button, do the alignment, but we're interested in just creating the blur background. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Thank you.